Where is the lace, y'all?
Right there.
Get out.
It's time for the percolator. Percolator.
Goodness gracious, hold on. Ooh, I'm taking my pulse. Ooh, goodness gracious. Ooh, it's hot in here. Somebody turn on the fan. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They've kind of sent me another unit to review for you guys. There will be timestamps for this video down below, so if you want to get to certain parts, you can definitely do that. But before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Now listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kind of lonely, but I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you, what you wanna do, make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. Give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do, now it's me and you, the mood is so right, so right. You can be my prince, you can be my Superman, save me in my day. Baby, there's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you. I promise that I will never lie to you. There's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you. I promise that I will never lie to you. You and me together, picture perfect. I'll spend all my money on the time because you're worth it. It's just me and you. What you gonna do? Make a move. Call me mama, spoil you like a baby. Thinking about you, dreaming about you, got me going crazy. What you wanna do? Now it's me and you. The mood is so you can be my prince, you can be my Superman, save me here my air, baby. There's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you. I'll give my all, I will never lie to you, boy. There's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you. I promise that I will never lie. I mean everything that I say from the bottom of my heart. I would never, ever hurt you. I open my heart, give it to you. Tell the whole world that I'm in love with you. Whatever you want, baby, I'll do. I know.
Okay, so today is Sip and Slay, and as you can already tell, I'm already sipping, okay? Yes, we have Stella Rosa Black on deck because I still had some more of this one, so we're drinking her up today. Let's go ahead and crack her open again, okay? And pour the rest in my glass. There we go. Bottoms up. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. It is their best full lace wig. They said it's the best, okay? Now, just so you know, they are very serious about the orders for this unit. There's been a whole pandemic going on this year, okay? 2020 has been some trash. And with that, the wig community has suffered a little bit when it comes to our lace wigs. Y'all know we love our lace wigs, but we have seen an uptick lately in the human hair headband trend. I got my serious glasses on. I'm ready for business. Now, with that being said, there is a lace front shortage. Most lace frontals are made in North Korea. With the pandemic happening, North Korea said, we're not doing this, okay? We shutting down our borders. That's it. So lace frontals are in short supply, okay? That is why you're seeing a lot more headband wigs from companies, a lot more 4x4s, 5x5s, and lace closure units, a lot more T-part lace units. All that is because of lace frontals being in such short supply, yet still high demand. At Hairvivi, they still offer certain lace front units, but only, okay, only for serious inquiries only. And just like Hairvivi, most companies are upping their price for their lace front units from $60 to almost $100 just to make sure they make some money on the back end for what they have in stock. Now that we didn't got that out the way, it comes in a natural color, and the only price for this unit is on the screen down below. Okay, I'm not even gonna say it out loud because some of y'all gonna start screaming. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Look at the screen. Look at the screen, Pearl. Look. Okay, I didn't make the price. I'm just the messenger. Now, with that being said, the price that you saw on the screen is the price for my unit. So depending on the inches that you get for your unit, the price can go up. You can get it in the 18, 20, or 22 inches. All the units come with the full lace and 200% density. So I got the 18 inches, and my unit price is still the same as, you know, what I showed you on the screen. Okay? You didn't see it? There it is. Okay, real quick. Now, they're only selling a certain number of these units. So if you are serious about getting this unit after you see all the razzle dazzle that it has to offer, then go ahead and grab your unit up, okay? I do have a coupon code that's $10 off. Use the coupon code Kie, and it will save you a little bit on your order. Now, this unit does come with bleach knots all the way across the front. I mean, all of this up in here. Oh, God dang. All of this up in here is bleached, as well as the back nape area is bleached, okay? They made sure that if you pin this unit up any which way, you will have a natural blended hairline. Hairvivi has some of the blessed too. Hairvivi has some of the best bleach units I have ever tried on my channel. Hands down, period. With the T. They also gave us a pre-plucked hairline. So I didn't have to go in and pluck nothing up in my hairline as always because they did it for me, okay? This unit was ready to go out the pack. Hit it with a hot comb and a flat iron and been good to go. It does say this unit comes with a fake scalp. I didn't have one. I don't know if mine was forgotten, and I'm kind of okay with that because it blended down just fine with my stocking cap under my wig, so I wasn't really pressed to get the fake scalp anyway. If Hairvivi clarifies that for me, I'll let you know in the pinned comment. It also comes with the piano keys elastic band, so if you want to use that, you definitely can. If you guys don't know, the piano keys basically gives you the option of where to place the elastic band in your unit, because sometimes companies put the elastic bands right by your ear, and then you piss because the elastic band is cutting into your ears. But because it is a full lace unit, it's a little tricky using an elastic band. I actually took mine out because the way the cap was fitting on my head when I cut the lace off the back, it just wasn't going to work because there's no combs in this unit, and that is something that I actually would have preferred, because if I don't glue the unit down the back, then I have to use bobby pins, which is what happened with my unit, because once I cut the lace off in the back to put the unit down, it kind of shrunk a little bit. My head is just big. I know, y'all. I know. I could still do an upstyle with this unit if I wanted to, because, you know, it still looks a little natural back there. Just a smidge. Okay, so, God dang, it's time for these nails to come off. I'm hitting and slapping everything. I'm not going to be able to do like a sleek upstyle, which is what this unit can do if you have help from somebody else putting your unit on. But for the sake of this video, I did what I could. It also says this unit is a 200% density. So that would be like the main questionable thing for me for this unit is the density. If this is supposed to be 200% density, my main question is, where? It's not reading 200% density on me. Maybe because my head is big. I don't know. It just looks a little bit thinner. Now, I did go in and wash and condition my unit, and with that, I did get some shedding with it, but not a lot. Just, you know, enough that you'll notice. No tangling with this unit. It curled really, really nicely. But outside of all that, y'all, this unit is gorgeous. They did this unit justice, y'all. It is a very high quality unit. The hair texture feels amazing. It does have a thickness to it. Even though I don't feel 200% density, it still has a nice thickness to it. The look that I did obviously is very simple, so it's not really showing off, you know, the potential of the unit, but you can use this unit literally for any style that you want to do, whether it's cornrows to French braids, a half up, half down, single braids. You can make a braided wig with this unit. Like, you can do anything you want to do with this unit and this hair because it is a full lace unit. Okay, part it anywhere you want and get scalp. That's how she's sitting. Now, if you decide to use the parting space in the middle of the unit, you will need to go in with some type of powder or tint spray to kind of brighten that parting space up, because like I said, only the front and the back of the unit is bleached. This is how that hairline is sitting on me, and I think it looks good. The hairline for me is phenomenal, y'all. A banging hairline on. Look at that hairline. Do y'all see this hairline? Where is the lace, y'all? Can you see the lace over there? I cannot. It looks so good. Ooh, I'm sweating. This wine getting me, y'all. This wine is getting me. Again, I got my bobby pins on the side, but if I want to do my up style, okay, I would just have to play with the unit or get Kenny to kind of, you know, help me. It does have like some short pieces here in the back to make it really, really natural if you decide to do an up style with this unit. Hey, honey.
Hey, baby.
Where's my lace?
Right there.
Get out. Get out.
Can I give you a pointer?
What? So it's lighter than my skin?
Yeah. Now get mad at me. And I'm not trying to try you.
What? Come on. What is it?
Is the side done?
Yeah, just get out.
Oh boy. You can't handle the truth.
Get out of here. What is he seeing? I got my glasses on. I can't see what he's seeing, y'all. Ooh, don't let him ruin this, Kai. Don't let him ruin this. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, as well as my specs. So if you want to check this unit out, you definitely can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.